Hey guys, we're in St. Louis, Missouri. We're doing this beautiful house in this beautiful neighborhood. We're doing about 1,000 square feet of tile, and it's gonna be a good one. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're doing a tile and grout job. We have about 1,200 square feet. We're gonna clean it and seal it. This was referral. We're in beautiful St. Louis, Missouri. And yeah, guys, that's what we're gonna do. It's a little rainy today, but you know, that's what's expected here in the Midwest. But yeah, we're excited to get started. If you need this service, give us a call. We got you covered. AOClean.com or 593-8102. AO, let's go. All right, guys, this is the tile we're doing. You can see some of the soil load. It'll be right there, as you guys can see. See, as it gets darker right here, especially right through here. Do you see how it gets darker? We're gonna get back to the original state. This area, all through here, through there. And then we got this area, this bathroom, this hallway, and then of course, laundry room area. So we got about 1,100 square feet we're doing total. They did add on some additional areas, and you can just see this is common. You see that, how dark that is through there. That's because your grout is porous, and we're gonna get it clean, suspended, and then we're gonna seal it for easy cleaning and protected grout. So stay tuned for some results, and as always, thanks for watching. All right, guys, I'm letting this product dwell. I am by myself today, so this will be kind of a shorter video, but I kind of want to give you the basics. This is about 1,105 square feet. We're gonna agitate it, let it dwell. Then we're gonna put our spinner on it, and about, as you guys know, 900 PSI at 230 degrees. We'll break the soil up and extract it. We'll go right to our truck. And then once it dries, we'll put our dry pods on it, and then put a sealer on there, which, as you know, is an impregnated sealer. So in doing that, it will make not only the bacteria, grime, dirt, and debris removed from the grout, because you know grout's porous, it will make it healthy again, hygienic, and then of course clean with a fantastic appearance. So all right, guys, stay tuned, and as always, thanks for watching. All right, guys, give you a little update. Things are going good. I have the spinner on it now, and we're also neutralizing it with a neutral rinsing agent. It's going good, guys. Beautiful. All right, guys, doing laundry room now. Just look at the difference this is making, guys. Absolutely night and day. Stay tuned.